hi friends, we wanted to share with you our food experiences in Dubai, and everybody had recommended us to try the Kerala cuisine in Dubai because apart from Kerala itself, this is one of the best places to eat Kerala cuisine. And we came to Aaraamam restaurant, more than 8,000 reviews. So we tried their lunch set meal, we tried their meat chili fry, biryani and all other delicious things. Very, very authentic and a superb, extremely pocket friendly and a tasty experience. As soon as we entered, we saw the skilled chef making the Malabari parathas, and we knew we are in for some delicious street and authentic Kerala cuisine in this place. So the Aaraamam restaurant is in the Daira area of Dubai. It's a famous landmark. Lot of families come here to enjoy the authentic Kerala cuisine. And when you look at the menu, one thing I was surprised, prices on this menu were also less than some of the places in Mumbai. For lunch they do the set meal, so we order one set meal which came with assortment of vegetable, a small portion of fish curry, unlimited red rice with sambar and other goodies, and one payasam. So each of these preparations were distinctly made, and when you mix them with this red rice, the flavor just enhances. So it was a very enjoyable set meal. I think it was for 11 or 12 dirham. You can have a full meal at that cost. But another thing Aaraamam restaurant is famous for is their meat chili fry along with Malabar parathas, and we ordered that, and let us test how that was. The paratha was really flaky, freshly made, and let us try it with the meat chili fry. I could smell a lot of spices and I thought it was very spicy initially looking at it, but when you eat it as a combination, it's one of the best combinations you can have. Well, the next thing to try was mutton biryani Kerala style, and look at that nalli or a leg piece which has come with the biryani. Very softly cooked mutton covered in all those delicious spices and short grain rice. Very flavorful, very authentic and tasty. Well, after that authentic Kerala experience, we wanted to try the restaurant which was favorite of all American and European expats. And what is a better place to explore a nice American cuisine diner style food than the Cheesecake Factory? Now this brand is not there in India, so that was another reason I wanted to try it out in Dubai. And what delicious cheesecake you see here, they actually fly them in from US every second day. So this is made in US cheesecakes. So friends, our foods to explore in Dubai series, we have come to explore some classic American food, and we are at the Cheesecake Factory. But this is the Cheesecake Factory outlet at the Mall of Emirates. It's next to the Ski Dubai, and we will be experiencing some of the classic American dishes. So this time in Dubai, we wanted to see what all different cuisines they do. So this one is going to be another classic in the Dubai food series. What we have ordered is some classic American strawberry and lemonade, strawberry lemonade, and buffalo chicken strips. They come with nice blue cheese dressing and a classic celery sticks along with it. Spicy, very tasty, very flavorful. And you can just cool it off by biting into some celery sticks. The next delicious looking dish we are trying is chicken romano. This is chicken breast which has been flattened, seasoned with parmesan and custard. cooked perfectly. Look at the crust on it, and served with some nice pasta and tomato sauce. Can't wait to try it. Nice creamy chicken breast, fresh tomato pasta, very classic combination. Very happy to taste authentic food like this. And that's the pecan cheesecake of the Cheesecake Factory. Now the cheesecake here are legendary, and we're going to try and test. So it has a nice chocolate crust base, delicious melting in mouth cheesecake, and a pecan layer on top with some chocolate. Very, very tasty. Served with some fresh cream. Arguably one of the best cheesecakes I have tried in a long time. What is a Dubai food trip without a specialty kebab? And to taste those special kebabs, we have come to the Ustad special kebab. Now this place is frequented by all these celebrities: Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Khalid. All food bloggers have come here, so we also wanted to explore and see what was the buzz about. And the restaurant decor is such a phenomenal. With all these photographs, you also feel one celebrity. And here comes the mixed grill platter that we had ordered. So this is the assortment of kebabs: chicken, lamb, mix with some grilled tomatoes, fries to go along. So let us taste one by one. So first we will try the chicken malai tikka. Superb, melting in mouth and very lightly spiced. Next one is this green sheikh kebab. Looks like from chicken. So let us try that succulent looking lamb sheikh kebab with freshly baked bread, some mint yogurt and little bit of salad, and that makes a tasty bite. That was certainly delicious. So after those delicious minced chicken and lamb kebabs, we have some lamb pieces which are grilled, lamb boti, just some cucumber yogurt with that, cucumber, and let us taste it. The lamb was mildly spiced and perfectly cooked. Why they call it Ustad. You know, it's an expert on meat. The way the meat is cooked on barbecue, it's excellent. Freshly baked breads and the bakery goods is a big part of the Emirati and the Middle Eastern culture. All of them come to these bakeries to collect freshly baked goodies in the morning, and we also wanted to take that experience and share it with you also. We have come to one local bakery in Dubai, and let us share the experience with all of you. So we have come to taste the traditional Arabic bakery, the manakish, which is the Arabic pizza. So to explore different foods of Dubai, another thing we wanted to try was to come to a traditional bakery and eat freshly baked manakish, which is similar to pizza. It's a fresh baked dough with cheese or with the za'atar spices and sesame. So let us try the cheese one first. Fresh flavor, and the cheese is similar to mozzarella but has a little different taste. Now this is the za'atar flavor, which are the local herbs, and they got some sesame seeds on it. The freshly baked dough, the spices and the crunchiness which the sesame has got due to baking has made this a very interesting combination. Very tasty. So what we are trying is Aaraamam. This is a yogurt drink, mint flavored. Nice and creamy with a mint flavor, and it's more or less like a chas we do in India, but very creamy. So this is the traditional sweet, they call it basbousa, but we wanted to try baklava and kunafa. They all are sold out, but this one we can try. It's a semolina based dessert, which is baked. Nice and sweet, very similar to semolina cake.